Welcome to day 19 of our Esri Leaflet Advent Calendar tutorial series. Building on yesterday's exploration of geocoding, today we're stepping into the world of reverse geocoding. This powerful feature allows us to find addresses and place names from geographic coordinates, enhancing our map's interactivity and information delivery. To begin, we'll start with our day 1 code as our foundation. Like yesterday, I'll need to include the Esri Leaflet geocoder script from CDN. Now in our JavaScript, I'll start by creating a layer group to hold our marker. Next, I'll set up an event listener for map clicks. When the map is clicked, I'll use Esri Leaflet's reverse geocoding service to find the address for the click location through my authenticated API key. Once I've located the place, I'll use the run function to clear any previous locations in my layer. I'll set a marker to show at my new location and console log the address. I'll test this out by opening up the app in my browser. I'll click on a location, open the console, and see all of the address information. For today's challenge, try enhancing the user experience by adding a pop-up to our marker. And that's it for day 19. Join tomorrow for day 20, where we'll look at how to use the Geocoding plugin to search for feature data within a feature layer. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.